Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In today's video, we are going to see how to enable repositories on RHEL 7.6 without Red Hat subscription. Introduction. RHEL is an open source operating system. It is the foundation from which you can scale existing apps and roll out emerging technologies across bare metals, virtual containers, and all types of cloud environments. Prerequisite is Apple release RPM Fusion, locally mounted DVD or USB ISO. To check the installed version of OS, installed version is RHEL 7.6. Now I am going to copy RHEL ISO under root directory. Here you can see mounted USB or DVD. Click on open in terminal. I am going to copy this. Under root directory named as RHEL 7.6. It takes some time to copy. We have successfully copied the ISO. Change directory to RHEL 7. Now copy this media.repo under m.repos.d. Give name as RHEL 7.repo and give permission for that repo file. Permission has been changed. Now go to the directory m.repos.d. Now I am going to edit the repo file. Here we have to give base URL that we have copied already under root directory. This is the location where I have copied the ISO, and also give GPG key location. Then save the file. We have successfully configured our local repository. Now I am going to install Apple repository. Press Y to install. Apple repository has been created. Then for the RPM Fusion repository, follow the command. Press Y. Both repository has been installed. Now run the command mcleanall. There is an error in RHEL 7 repo. Here we have to give file. Now run mcleanall. We have configured the repository in RHEL 7.6 successfully. To check the repository, install any package. For example, I am going to install Apache. To start the Apache, to check status of an Apache, successfully we have configured repository in RHEL 7.6 without Red Hat subscription.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our Linux Help channel. For further details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.